Hey everyone, welcome back to the Adventures with that 850 XT channel. Thought I'd give you guys a little update on what I've been doing here with my bike, the wife's bike, and kind of with the shop and stuff. So with my bike, to wrap the header, not all the way, just enough so it keeps the heat away from my the exhaust here for my belt and clutch. So I did all that. Slowly starting to get it back together, got the intake all back together, bolted up, all that. Then also I think in my one video I got the rad relocated all done, it's all bolted up and ready. Got this off Nets MR, I think 2021. So you know, I have to get the panty dropper on there. Then just gotta wind my new winch cable from Afraid Not ropes in there, so gotta do that. Got some new stuff here for it. Got a new OMD shifter, gas cab, got a Lucky 7 backrack for it. These things I recommend for anyone. They are super durable, much easier to clean under compared to your stock one. Then another little surprise I got for it, got some S3 A-arms in octane blue, got them all powder coated. Still got to pull the plastic off up there, as you can tell. Cut the zip ties for the brake line. Other than that, she's going pretty well, as you can tell. I'm kind of liking it so far. Oh, there's my two strats from Afraid Not ropes and tying it forward. Got new rims for it. I'll go show you guys those. I'm just waiting for my tires to show up. But also kind of getting into some grooving here, as you can tell. They're not the best. I'm waiting for a bigger blade, but they're pretty good so far. I don't think they're too bad for a little 28 Moto Havoc. A lot lighter. Also got a pipe on the 450 now. Waiting for the end cap because I broke it off my 850. Got her tuned too. Got the snorkels on it. Got to re-clutch the secondary, I'm pretty sure, or the primary. I'm trying to figure out what spring to go with. If anybody has a recommendation, that would be great. I've seen a couple people run a white spring, but I don't really see them, you know, a company that makes it for the 450. Also getting some OMD bar risers for it, shifter, gas cap, fair lead, all in custom purple. Waiting for bushings for this A-arm here. But he didn't have them in stock right away, but I'm going to get them. Then here's the new rims. The casters, the bullet casters, or the bullet casters, however you say them. There's a sticker for them right there. So yeah, that's kind of what's been going on right now. And you know, just doing the shop, cleaning it up. Got a banner from TNT Kits. Redid the heat shield, you know, just gave it a little bit of painting. Gotta get my secondary done as I melted the helix on it. I'll grab that. She's not doing very good, as you can tell. Got a new one on order. And new spring on order. There's a secondary clutch and spring. So that's kind of what's been up to. The 32s are actually working pretty good on the 450. I'm going to post a video of it here soon once I get the bracket made up for the exhaust and whatnot. But yeah, other than that, it's kind of what I've been up to. Well, you got the pipe on. It's all tuned, ready to go. I'm going to take it for a little boot, see how it acts. Feels a lot snappier already. The end cap of the pipe is on its way to HMF. But, yep. Works a hell of a lot better than what it used to. So I'll give you a show. Still need the end cap for it, as you can tell. But pretty decent actually. It'll pull the front tires now. Need a little bump for it, but it's been the 32s, like almost like nothing now with a clutch kit and a tune. I'll go for a little boot. I'll try to see how good I can do it with the phone. clutching a little more. I just got a, you know, Dalton clutch spring kit in it, so like it works, but for 32s it's kind of pushing the limits for it. That, or I'm going to go with CV Tech in it. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I'm still kind of messing around with it. But hopefully you guys liked the video. And if you do, hit that like button and subscribe. That'd be greatly appreciated. See you the next time.